Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you go ahead and basically uh, generate Spotify music playlists using ChatGPT Plus. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what uh, can this do? It basically can you can basically manage your Spotify by creating playlists, retrieving songs, get users playlist, add songs to playlists, remove songs from playlist, manage subscriptions, all with the use of this plugin, which is called a Spotify here, Playlist AI Spotify. So this is the list of all you can do. So all you have to do is type this in, and you need to have guys enabled the ChatGPT 4, which you can only use if you have subscription from ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month. So all you have to do to get this plugin is go ahead here and make sure that plugins is selected, plugin store, and all you have to do is search for Spotify and there. So all you have to do is install this, and you need to have your account logged in, and then you can go ahead and create playlist. For example, so there, as you can see, it asks you for your preferences. So for example there, so as you can see, it lists you all the songs, and as you can see the selection, and all you have to do is say yes, and because it asks you to create for confirmation, as you can see there. So all you have to do is wait for this to finish, guys, and you should be good to go in using this playlist. So there, as you can see, you can go ahead and pick this playlist. And there, guys. So there, guys, as you can see, it is now created for you. Now you can go ahead and log in, and you can go ahead and save this to your library, and you should be good to go. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.